Hi, you probably know things about social media marketing, search and display ads, search engine optimization or SEO, email marketing, video marketing, chatbot development, blogging, and among all other things in what we call as e-commerce and digital marketing. But the question is, do you know how to design a digital marketing strategy? Or do you know how to execute this DM strategy for yourself as a freelancer or for your client's business? A very brief introduction about myself. My name is Bert Padilla. I'm a very experienced and savvy freelancer. I have been in the freelancing business since 2012, although I have started my digital career in 2008 when I started as a blogger. I'm basically a digital agency owner running TechWorks Digital, where we are engaged in e-commerce development and digital marketing businesses through our business called TechWorks. We also provide ad operations for publishers through AdWorks and blog development services through BlogWorks. And we also have a web hosting business, and we call that one as TechWorks Hosting. And just recently, I ventured into e-learning project through TechWorks Training. But I'm not here to talk about me. I'm here to talk about you. Let's talk about how I can help you with this e-commerce and digital marketing bootcamp. Now, if you are a freelancer or if you are an aspiring freelancer, so this coming February, for 8 weeks, I'm going to have this online bootcamp for freelancers or aspiring freelancers. It's called e-commerce and digital marketing bootcamp. There are two ways you can benefit from this. For one, for yourself as a freelancer, you'll be able to gain the experience. You'll be able to learn the blueprint on e-commerce and digital marketing so that you'll be able to use that one in promoting yourself as a freelancer. You'll be able to apply the digital marketing strategy that I'll be teaching you for yourself, for your own digital marketing campaigns. Now, you can also benefit from this in a way that you are going to offer this as a service to your clients. So if you are a virtual assistant, if you are an ordinary freelancer engaged in micro services, things like annotations, data entry jobs, transcriptions, or other general VA tasks, this is your opportunity to learn from me. You might ask why this bootcamp is for freelancers or aspiring freelancers. The idea actually is I have here a freelancing 101 module. Essentially, I'm going to help you out in getting started with your online freelancing journey, particularly if you haven't done any online freelancing jobs before. And I'm going to share here some blueprint tips and templates on my best techniques, how I did it, how I continually do it for my freelancing career. In fact, I have made more or less 15 million pesos in Upwork alone, and that's not a bluff. You can always check out my profile in Upwork, and this is basically it. You can check it out there. While this bootcamp is titled for freelancers or for aspiring freelancers, technically it's actually not. This is also applicable to independent professionals, people who are in the real estate business, people in the financial sector like financial advisors. I have also designed this bootcamp for anyone who are into car dealerships, and of course for any individual who are offering services to clients. With this bootcamp, this will help you position yourself as a service provider online across all channels in the digital marketing space. So what are the courses or what are the modules that we will tackle on this particular bootcamp? So there will be 16 modules. It starts with the e-commerce introduction, and that also includes branding development, buyer persona creation, WordPress e-commerce site development, buyer's journey and content creation, best practices, SEO and analytics or search engine optimization. So we'll be talking about things like Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Google Data Studio, and module 7 will be blogging and fandom blogs. Module 8 will talk about CRM, live chat, and chatbot. And there will also be CRM and email marketing on module 9. Module 10 will talk about consumer protection and data privacy, which is very important when you do e-commerce business here in the Philippines. And module 11 will be social media tools and profile creation. I'm also going to share to you how to create social media content on module 12, and I'm going to teach you how to execute a digital marketing campaign strategy strategy. Since this particular online bootcamp is for freelancers or aspiring freelancers, I'm going to teach you Freelancing 101. Essentially, this covers anything about freelancing. And if you are an experienced freelancer already, I'm going to share to you some tips and blueprints on my freelancing career as well, and how I made a lot of successes in this area. Module 15 will talk about Google Ads, and Module 16 will talk about Facebook Ads. So that's basically the lessons and modules that you will learn on this particular bootcamp. Now, you might ask why I am doing this bootcamp, right? I would like to share you a very quick story about my journey as an e-commerce and digital marketing trainer for the Department of Information and Communications Technology. So they have this program called Digital Job Spirits, or what we used to call as Rural Impact Sourcing Technical Training. Now, when I joined the Digital Job Spirits program as a trainer, I realized that there are so many things to do in transforming the Philippines or this country to have more online professionals, or what we call as modern OFWs, or online Filipino workers. Now, I'm doing this because not for myself. I'm doing this to share my experience, and I want to pay it forward for the Filipino people. The digital marketing space is just so huge that the demand for people who have skills in e-commerce and digital marketing is really huge. When I say huge, it's like the demand today for digital marketing services. The opportunities out there is just so huge. In fact, in the digital marketing space alone, the demand is like 59%, and then available talent is only 19%. It's not even, so the demand really is there, and we need more people. We need more Filipinos doing this type of jobs, grabbing this opportunity to change and transform their lives. So that is basically why I am doing this bootcamp. And you can expect me doing a lot more of this, as I am now advocating into technical trainings and continuous education. You might ask, how does this bootcamp or this online training works? Basically, the setup would be, we'll have it on a series of webinar sessions. We'll have an online classroom, and we will also have an exclusive Facebook group, and we will have a project management tool wherein you will have access there for all the learning materials and all the relevant exercises. Now, everything will be done online. We will have one-on-one consultation and mentorship. We will have regular huddles, and in any case you cannot join a certain session, you can always check the recorded materials online. You can always review those recorded materials, because we are going to record all sessions. That means you can review everything at your own pace. So that's basically it for how it works. Now, what are the perks and benefits that you can get when you join this e-commerce and digital marketing bootcamp? Of course, you will get to have all of these perks I have listed here. So as you can see, you will have access to all recorded lessons, learning materials, sample works, and blueprints of the e-commerce and digital marketing bootcamp. You will also have access to the online webinar sessions and consultations and mentorships. And of course, for you to get started with your website or for your e-commerce website, you will get your own free domain name for 1 year. Basically, that's a .com, .net, and .org domain name. You'll also have your web hosting service with TechWorks Hosting, and another 1 year of free SSL and 1 year license of Elementor Pro. Now, aside from that, you will also have access to our exclusive Facebook group. By the way, for the first 10 paid applicants for this bootcamp, you will have free passes to the e-commerce and entrepreneur summit here in Cebu by digitalfilipino.com. But of course, other than this one, the very huge benefit that you can get is the learning and the experience that you will acquire out from this training. I hope you enjoy this one.